Hello and welcome to this holiday side dish recipe video. First, we are going to start off with a 12-ounce bag of cranberries. We are going to be chopping these up into tiny pieces. Yes, there will be a bit of a mess with flying cranberries everywhere. Don't worry, we could just be frustrated together. Place those in a medium-sized bowl, and let's move on to the green onions. Slice these up and toss into the bowl. Next, we will be slicing one jalapeno. You can make it two for a bit more heat. Also, don't forget to remove the seeds. Next, finely chop fresh cilantro. And toss that into the bowl. Add one squeezed lemon and try not to get the seeds in the mix. If so, be sure to pick them out. Add 1/2 tablespoon of salt and 1 cup of sugar. Cover with plastic wrap and place in the fridge overnight. Grab a French Baguette, slice 1/2 inch thick slices, and place on a foil layered baking sheet. Brush the top of the baguette slices with olive oil to get a nice toast. Bake until crispy. Grab a separate bowl. Scoop 16 ounces of cream cheese. Whip until the cream cheese turns into a soft butter-like texture. Dump and smooth the cream cheese on a dip platter. And remove the cranberry mix from the fridge and strain the juices. Finally, scoop the cranberry mix and add to the top of our smooth cream cheese. Make it look nice and pretty and share your next holiday party or your family get-together. Or just stuff your face by yourself on the couch binge watching Netflix. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks y'all. We'll see you on the next one.